Hello guys, welcome to the new video. Today I will show you how to add a certificate to your Upwork profile. First, log in to your Upwork account. Go to your profile by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner. Click on Edit Profile. Scroll down to the Certification section and click on Add Certification. Enter the name of the certification, the issuing organization, and any relevant details. Upload the certificate file if needed. Click Save to add the certification to your profile. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.